Hey, fellow coding enthusiasts. Welcome back to Mr. X. Today, we're diving into the basics of Dart programming in just 1 minute. So, grab your virtual pins and let's get started. Dart is a versatile programming language, often associated with Flutter for building mobile apps. But before we jump into mobile development, let's cover the essentials. First up, Dart is known for its simplicity. It has a clean syntax that makes it beginner-friendly. You'll encounter familiar concepts if you've dabbled in other languages. Variables in Dart are like containers. They store data, and you can change their contents. Need a number? Use an int or double. Text? That's where string comes in. Next, control flow. If statements help your program make decisions. If a condition is true, do this. Otherwise, do that. Simple, right? Loops are your best friends for repetitive tasks. And while loops let you execute code multiple times without copy-pasting. Functions are like mini-programs within your program. You can define a task, name it, and reuse it whenever needed. Efficiency at its finest. And that's a whirlwind tour of Dart basics. If you're excited about diving deeper, hit subscribe, and we'll explore more together. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and let me know in the comments what programming topics you want to conquer next. Until then, happy coding!